ang ganda ng Christmas tree dito sa sa Guilford Mall. Ang laki. Ayan Ang dami Ayan Merry Christmas everyone. Ang cute. Ang ganda Ang ganda na dito ng pakagawa nila ng Christmas tree sa Guilford Mall Ngayon lang ako nakapasok dito sa side na to. Hindi makapag-shopping kasi walang pang shopping. Window shopping lang. Naghahanap ako ng washroom Galing ako sa ICBC. Gawa ng ID ko. Nawala. Kumuha ako ng bagong ID. Ang tagal, ang haba ng pila. Ang oras ako sa loob ng ICBC kakaantay. Kahit may appointment na. Hi guys! I'm unboxing of my things that I ordered from Amazon, another equipment or another materials for my soap making. So I think this is the machine. So let's see. Let's focus the camera. Ayan. So let's see this one. I cut it already. Oh wow. So I have my sturdy sato, ano ba? I forgot what you call it. So I'm gonna use this on December 6 for my giveaway. Ganda It's nice, it's beautiful for my giveaway. So I'm gonna put here are the, see guys. So this is gonna be inside of my organza bag. See, that's my giveaway. My papaya herbal soap. A giveaway on my day, my big day on December 6th. So it's gonna be on live on my YouTube channel. So guys, watch, abangan. So the size of this for a Christmas present is 5 by 7, 5 inches by 7 inches. So this is our 100 pieces I ordered in Amazon. So it's a little bit pricey, but it's okay. It's only one time I'm gonna do it. So I think this, I'm not sure if it's 80 pieces or 100 pieces. Maybe we should count it. Let's see the half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh! 8, 9, 10. 2 yung nalaglag. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I think 100 pieces guys. Kasi yung kalahati nasa 50. Wag na natin i-continue. It's gonna consume too much time. So, medyo may kabagalan ako magbilang. Ay, ano ba yan? Nalaglag pati kunting. So, let's open this box. See guys, I cannot buy the whole materials for my soup making. I only buy it one by one, the cord. Slowly, kasi this is a machine. I don't want to break it before I use it. So this one I can use for, I can reuse this for sending a package. Oh wow, nice. So my foam. And there you go. Now I have a machine for pricing. No, for labeling. Let's see the, yes, it's including the manual. So I'm not gonna set up yet because you need to charge this one, and that's the parts of this. So wow, there's a connector, and this is for, oh shoot, and this is for the label. So there's a pre-label and another charger. Oh my god, it looks like complicated guys. I don't like complicated. And there's another charger again. So And this is the sample of label. So the label is supposed to be 4 by 6. So I have already 4 by 6. This is label like Amazon, you know, the Amazon order when you order in Amazon. So this is same as Amazon using for the machine labeling for you know, sending mails or packages. So I have already here, I ordered already a labeling. I have here. This is for shipment, this label. So I have, I think this one is more or less 200 pieces. See guys, this is for labeling when you're sending the package, the address of your recipient and the sender address. Oh, I don't want to break. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm just showing you. So this cost me like almost $100 plus tax. So this is the machine for labeling. So now I can do labeling at home because usually I do the labeling in Washington. I send it to my hubby and do the labeling because he's in Washington right now and he's coming back on Friday. So he gonna bring all the labels. And the labels that coming out with my bar soap, guys, there's a QR code also. So all the new labels has a QR code, the made in Canada. So when you scan the QR code, it's gonna bring you to my YouTube channel. Then you will find on my YouTube channel on my playlist how I make the bar soap. So you're gonna see all the kinds of ingredients I'm using on my YouTube channel. So that's why I have a QR code on my soap label, the one that made in Canada. The one that I'm selling right now, it's still made in Washougal, Washington. So I don't have the QR code because that's the first batch I made. Now the made in Canada is more expensive because of the triple pricing of the ingredients here in Canada. So it's gonna be more expensive, my bar soap, because of the Canadian computation is way more expensive than US. So at least hopefully guys you understand why I price, and when you watch my YouTube videos you will understand why my bar soap made in Canada are expensive. It's high quality, all my ingredients, and most of them, the powder, I'm the one who process it, especially the lemon seeds, grapefruit seeds, I'm the one who process it. Dandelion flowers, I'm the one who pick and clean and infuse it. So that's it guys, bye bye, see you next video. Thank you for watching, have a great day. And here are the Starobie bags that I ordered from Amazon. It's done using it, and there's some more left over here, maybe few more than 20 pieces. So, and another more here for the giveaways on December 6. Wow, they are lucky who gonna receive this.